Now the question arises, how we will get the sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio is not given in the statement anywhere else. Keep one tip about the sacrifice ratio in your mind always. Whenever in the question only the old ratio and new partner share is given to you, in that case old ratio will be the sacrifice ratio in itself. When the acquired share is given to you, then in the ratio in which they are acquiring the share, that will be the sacrifice ratio. I'll explain that point in the next illustration. Okay. So keep one tip about this. When only the old share and new partner share is given to you, then old ratio will be the sacrifice ratio in itself. Because if you calculate by considering the total share 1, you will get 3:2 will be the sacrifice ratio. Fine. The next is case B. Goodwill is withdrawn by old partners. When the amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner, means they don't want to retain it in the business, in their capital account, they just want to encash. They want to get that amount of goodwill in cash. What should be done? The first entry will remain same, bank account debit to X capital account to premium for goodwill. 1,50,000 for the amount of capital and 67,500 for the amount of goodwill brought by X. So the total amount debited in the bank account, it will be 2,17,500. Then again it is to be retained. Premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. The amount is to be retained, means credited among the old partner A and B in their sacrifice ratio. When this amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the partner, means it is encashed. What is to be done in that case? The partner's capital account will be debit and to bank account they are withdrawing. Credit what goes out, जो भी business में से जाता है as per the rule it will be credited. कैश के फॉर्म में जा रहा है बिजनेस में से और कैपिटल अकाउंट रिड्यूस हो रहे हैं उनके, इट विल बी डेबिटेड. whatever that may can increase in the capital, whatever that may can increase in the capital of a partner, then it will be credited to partner capital account, and whatever the transaction which make a decrease, which cause a decrease in partner's capital account, that will be debited in partner's capital account. So when the partners withdrawing the amount of goodwill in cash, it means it reducing their capital, so their capital account will be debited and bank account will be credited. The entry will become A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to bank account. One more concept regarding this can be given in the question. If the word is given half of the goodwill is withdrawn by the partner, suppose let it be instead of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner, instead of this half of the goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner is given in the statement. What to do in that case? Then the amount 40,500 and this 27,500, whatever we credited here we debited here. But if it is given in the question half of the amount is withdrawn, then we will have to make the half of 40,500 and half of 27,000. It is to be debited here and the half of 67,500 will be credited here. Thank you.